Welcome to Molsheim, France, to a place that looks more like a high-tech art gallery than a car factory. This is the Bugatti Atelier, the birthplace of automotive legends. Forget everything you know about car production. There are no clanking robots here, no endless conveyor belts, just serene, clinical precision. This is where the Bugatti Chiron, a 16-cylinder, multi-million-dollar masterpiece, is brought to life, piece by piece, by human hands. It's not a factory, it's a dream factory. So, how do you build a car that can shatter speed records while cocooning you in absolute luxury? Let's go inside and find out. The journey begins not in France, but in Germany, at the Volkswagen Group engine plant in Salzgitter. This is where the heart of the Chiron is born. Arriving in a special crate is the legendary 8.0-litre, quad-turbocharged W16 engine. Just look at this thing. It's an absolute monster of engineering, a mechanical sculpture that produces an earth-shattering 1,500 horsepower. Before this powerhouse can be united with its body, a team of dedicated technicians spends hours poring over every single component. They meticulously inspect the turbos, the cooling systems, and the intricate network of pipes and wires. Every bolt is checked, every connection verified. This isn't just an engine, it's the soul of the car, and it has to be absolutely perfect from the very start. The level of detail is staggering. This initial inspection ensures that the immense power will be delivered smoothly and reliably every single time the owner hits the start button. It's a promise of performance, guaranteed before the car even has wheels. Now, with the powertrain verified, the real assembly begins. The process starts with the monocoque, the car's structural core. Made entirely from carbon fiber, it's incredibly light yet unbelievably strong, the same kind of technology you'd find in a Formula One car. This isn't just a frame, it's a high-tech survival cell. The next step is a moment of mechanical matrimony. The massive W16 engine and the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission are carefully, painstakingly, mated to the rear of the carbon fiber chassis. It's a delicate dance of millimeters, where brute force meets surgical precision. Only 14 titanium bolts hold the entire powertrain to the monocoque, each one torqued to an exact specification to create a single, unified structure. There's no room for error. This fusion of engine and chassis is what gives the Chiron its incredible rigidity and allows it to handle the colossal forces it generates. Technicians then begin connecting the intricate web of cooling systems, with 10 radiators scattered throughout the car to keep that monstrous engine from overheating. It's like building the world's most complex and powerful three-dimensional puzzle. With the skeleton complete, it's time to give the beast its skin. This is where engineering excellence meets pure artistry. The Chiron's body is composed of just a few large, perfectly formed carbon fiber panels. A team of artisans, with years of experience, carefully aligns and attaches each piece. The gaps between panels are measured to a fraction of a millimeter, ensuring a flawless, seamless surface. If the customer opted for a painted finish, the car enters the paint shop for a process that can take up to 3 weeks. We are not talking about a quick spray job. Each car receives up to 8 layers of paint and clear coat, with every single layer hand-sanded and polished before the next is applied. The result is a depth and luster that is simply breathtaking, like looking into a pool of liquid color. For those who choose the exposed carbon fiber finish, the challenge is even greater. The weave of the carbon fiber must align perfectly across every single panel, creating an uninterrupted, symmetrical pattern across the entire car. It's a testament to the incredible skill and patience of the Bugatti craftsman. Now, we move from the art of the exterior to the luxury of the cockpit. The interior of a Chiron is just as bespoke as its performance. Every single car is unique, tailored to the exact specifications of its owner. The finest leathers, sourced from special herds of cattle in Austria, are cut and stitched entirely by hand. One artisan is responsible for the entire interior, ensuring absolute consistency in quality and feel. Polished aluminum components, milled from a single block of metal, are carefully fitted into place. The iconic center line, a sweeping curve of aluminum that divides the cockpit, is a design marvel in itself. Every switch, every dial, has a satisfying, mechanical click, a tactile reassurance of quality. The final touch, a moment of ceremony, is placing the famous EB logo, crafted from solid sterling silver, onto the center of the steering wheel. This isn't just assembling a car, it's curating an experience, creating a personal sanctuary that can travel at over 250 miles per hour. It's a space where raw power meets unparalleled craftsmanship. Before any Chiron is deemed worthy of the Bugatti name, it undergoes a series of brutal tests that would make other supercars tremble. First, it's strapped down onto a state-of-the-art dynamometer. Here, in a controlled environment, the W16 engine is pushed to its limits. The technicians run a full simulation, taking the car through its gears all the way up to a simulated speed of over 200 miles per hour, verifying that it delivers its full 1,479 horsepower. The noise is incredible, a symphony of controlled fury. After the power test comes the water test. Nicknamed the monsoon test, the car is subjected to artificial rain of incredible intensity for 30 minutes, blasted with water from every conceivable angle. This isn't a gentle shower, it's a torrential downpour designed to find even the slightest imperfection in the seals. Technicians sit inside with high-powered lights, searching for a single drop of water. Only when the car is proven to be completely watertight can it move on. It's this obsessive attention to detail that ensures a Bugatti is not just fast, but flawless in every condition. After 6 months of meticulous assembly, painting, and testing, the Bugatti Chiron is finally complete. It rolls into a special light tunnel, a pristine white studio where every line, every curve, and every surface is inspected for the final time. For over 6 hours, a dedicated expert examines the car, looking for any microscopic flaw in the paint or imperfection in the fit and finish. Only after this final, exhaustive quality check is the car signed off. It's a rolling sculpture, a fusion of art and engineering that represents the absolute pinnacle of the automotive world. From the powerful presence of its horseshoe grille to the elegant sweep of its C-line, every detail is a masterpiece. As the Chiron rolls out of the Atelier, it's not just a car leaving a factory. It's a dream, carefully constructed by the world's best artisans, finally ready to meet its owner and conquer the road. It is a testament to the belief that with enough passion and skill, perfection is not just a goal, but an achievable reality. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey inside the Bugatti Atelier. Witnessing the creation of a Chiron is truly something special. If you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We've got more amazing automotive stories coming your way. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Chiron and what car you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.